Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A51 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So open first the home screen, select the application and drag the app to another one. And now we could see that we just created the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just enter once the tap on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, we should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So also we could remove a couple of applications with the folder together. Just hold the folder with apps and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.